Guys, welcome once again to this YouTube channel Corex TV, and on today's video I'm going to be teaching you guys how to mine the Grass DePIN airdrop efficiently because they just finished their season 1 and we are currently on the season 2 of mining, and a whole lot of you are not actually mining it the right way. So this tutorial today is just to educate you guys on how to mine the Grass airdrop efficiently and maximize your reward. In doing that, you tend to earn more points. Now, as we all know, the Grass airdrop went live October 28, 2024, which is just last year, about 5 months ago. And this is their official Twitter handle in case you're looking for further information about Grass. You know, when you come here, you will see their latest update, because as you can see on this page here, they just gave a summary of their 2024, how they moved from 200,000 users to 3 million users, and also they were able to scrape off a total of 8 million gigabytes of web data with 3 billion videos. Wow, that's insane. Now, from the current analysis of the Grass token, you will see that Grass is actually trading at $2.43 per 1 Grass, with a total supply of 1 billion Grass. You will know that the Grass has massive potential, having a market cap of just $592 million. That's to tell you, is not all the supply that is circulating. They only have about 243 million Grass circulating. So that's to say, the remaining supply is going to be released gradually as we progress along the mining of Grass. Now, for you out there, how do you maximize your Grass mining? Now, this is the official website of the Grass, and I'm going to be teaching you how to mine efficiently. Now, remember, if this is your first time on this YouTube channel, please, I would really appreciate you subscribe to our YouTube channel and you give us a thumbs up, and also leave a comment in the description channel, in the comment box. You know, we're going to reply you and guide you efficiently. Now, as you can see, this is the home page for the Grass mining. At the top left corner there, where is written dashboard, you will see my total referral is 4, while I have 39 pending referrals. I'm sure a whole lot of you are also facing the same issue. Don't worry, I'm going to explain to you how to maximize your referral count, because if your referrals are not actually mining for a certain hours, they will not be counted for you, and their point will not be counted for you, because there's actually an hour limit that your referral must reach for them to be an eligible referral for you. Yeah, and I'm going to show you all that. But then, for you to mine Grass efficiently, there are 2 ways. You either mine it on the website, you mine it on the extension, or you mine it on the application. Now, as you can see on the bottom left corner, which is written here, install Grass desktop. Now, when you click on this icon, the desktop icon, it's going to prompt you and take you to the page where you can either choose to download your Grass application for either your Windows OS, for those of you using the Windows PC, either your Linux, for those of you using the Ubuntu PC, or either your Mac OS, or that's Mac OS for Silicon and Intel. That's for those of you using the Apple device. So you see, you can actually mine Grass on either of these devices from anywhere around the world. Now, without saying much, once you finish downloading the Grass application, you install the Grass application, then it's going to look like this. As you can see, this is my Grass, and it's showing epoch 4 earnings. I'm going to explain to you what it means by epoch 4 earnings. So they have epoch. The Grass seasons are divided into epoch. In season 1, we had about epoch 0 to epoch 8. Now, this is season 2. We have finished epoch 1, epoch 2, 3, and epoch 3 ended yesterday. Epoch 4 started today. Now, this is epoch 4. Don't mind this, my point that is showing here. Now, sometimes it takes about a day for the entire point to reflect. So once I reload it, you will see my original point, but that's not the focus of the day. So we are currently on epoch 4, and your Grass should look like this once you have installed the application. You can see Grass is connected. So all you just have to do is you click on desktop dashboard so that it will take you to your dashboard and you access this page that I'm currently using. Now, as you can see, the Grass desktop application is currently downloaded by just 2.5 million users. But that's not all. Remember, I told you I was going to explain to you the referral count. But then one thing you should know, warning, this is a very important thing. If you are more than one mining Grass, please, you should not, I repeat, you should not share the same internet. You should not share the same Wi-Fi, because this will make them block you, or they would not give you your accurate Grass point, because they're actually checking the IP addresses and checking to be sure that we are all not cheating. Because when you mine two different Grass accounts on the same internet, they will flag your account and they will not give you your actual reward. So please take note. And also remember, if this is your first time on this YouTube channel, please do not forget to click the subscribe button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Now, as you can see, good. Invite friends and grow your earnings. Refer your friends. Now, when you refer your friends, there is a certain point you will reach and you will claim some bonuses. Now, if you are able to refer, let's see, 136 friends, you will get 375 Either you refer 136 friends so that you unlock this bonus of 19,000, or you mine 375,000 points. As you can see, I have unlocked it. So the next phase is to either refer 154 friends or mine 2.7 million points. So this is the next phase that I'm chasing. We don't know when we're going to reach there, but I will definitely try my best. So that is by the way. So the next thing is going to the reward section. So as you can see, this is stage 2, like I told you, season 2. So what we're doing is capturing the web. Epoch 1, Epoch 2, Epoch 3. Epoch 1 started October 14th, and this is Epoch 4. So when you click here, you will see Epoch 1, season 1. This is when season 1 started, June 17, and ended August 15. Around October. So this is what I was able to mine. But then we're currently in Epoch 2, and if you check what I mined in Epoch 1 and what in season 1 and what I'm mining currently in season 2, you will see that I have unlocked the secret of mining Grass. You can see the first Epoch I didn't mine, the second Epoch I didn't mine much, just 6,000 points, and the third Epoch I mined just 36,000 points. Now let me now show you so that you will know that the secret I'm about to show you works. As you can see, this is Epoch 1. I've mined 26,000 points against 6,000 points of season 1. Now this is Epoch 2. I mined 94,000 points against 30,000 points, 29,000 points in season 1. So you can see that I have actually maximized my point mining, and I'm about to show you the secret of doing that. Now remember, for your referral to have to be eligible for your referral points to be counted for you, they should have completed a minimum of 100 hours mined. So as you can see, you will check 100 hours. That's about 4 days of consistent mining before they will be counted as eligible referrals for you. So please do well to inform your referrals. Now, how do we mine Grass faster? Now, to mine Grass faster, you need to have a good PC. As you can see, the specification for my PC is called i7 13th generation, and also is a Dell PC, and is very, very fast. Yes, it's very, very fast. So because we will need to have about 3 browsers open, you could actually use your Chrome browser and use it on different profiles. You know, the new Chrome profile helps us to open what other Chrome profiles. So you can open about 5-6 profiles. You know, as you open it, you start mining what you start playing long YouTube videos. Yes, because when mining Grass has to do with what? Because they check your CPU, your central processing unit activity. That's the whole thing they check. So for you to be able to mine Grass efficiently, you should be able to use your what? Your CPU efficiently. And welcome to the... So as you can see, if you have light, you also need a steady light, and you also need a what? A good internet what? Supply. So that when you leave your laptop on and you leave the YouTube video playing till the end, you know, it helps you mine faster and accumulate what? More points. So this is the first YouTube video. We'll close this. Let me open the second YouTube video. I've opened another profile here. As you can see, it's currently open and there's a YouTube video going on here. Then this is the second profile. Let me open the third profile. So you will see this is another YouTube video going on here. So this is how to mine Grass efficiently. I even had to download the Brave browser, so you can also see that what Grass mining is also going on here. So for you out there, if you want to mine Grass efficiently, faster, and maximize your input, all you have to do is open as many browsers as possible. You can open up to 12-15 Chrome profile on that same what? Grass account. Do not use 2 Grass accounts. 1 Grass account is all you need to make what? More money. Do not forget, if this is your first time on this YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Grass TV, and you give us a thumbs up, and what? You leave a comment below so we can help you navigate the Web3 space. Thank you so much for watching our video, and do well to come back again for what? Other tips, because in Grass we show you the way.